Eager to get your new Blindster cellular shades up and looking great? Follow along as we show you how to install them in a flash. First, make sure you have these tools handy, as well as all the original package contents. Now, let's start by getting the mounting brackets in place and marking their holes for pre-drilling. For an inside mount, begin by positioning the first 2 mounting brackets about 2 inches from each end of the head rail like so. Wider shades might require more than 2 mounting brackets. In that case, center them between the 2 outer brackets with no more than 25 inches of space between each. Next, let's go ahead and install the brackets. First, pre-drill the spots you marked earlier. Then, for an inside mount installation, screw the brackets into the top of the window frame like this. To attach the shade, hang it so that the front groove of the head rail inserts into the front ridge of the mounting bracket. Then, press the shade up into the back of the bracket until the head rail snaps into place. Once both screws are installed, you're set to go lower the shade. You've successfully installed an inside mount. When completing an outside mount, your finished product should look like this. Remember, not all lift types will have the same brackets, so check your installation instruction packet for more details. Voila! You've installed your beautiful new shades with no trouble at all.